Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make black bean sauce for Jajangmyeon. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including the crucial chunjang, some fatty pork belly, and fresh vegetables like onions and zucchini. Proper preparation is key, so dice your pork into small, even pieces and chop your vegetables uniformly. We'll start by stir-frying the chunjang in oil. This crucial step removes any bitterness and deepens its rich, savory flavor, setting the foundation for an authentic sauce. Next, we'll move on to cooking the main components. Start by sautéing your diced pork belly in a hot pan until it's beautifully browned and develops a slight crispness. This renders out some fat, adding incredible flavor. Then, introduce your chopped onions and zucchini, cooking them until they are tender crisp, retaining a bit of bite. Finally, incorporate the stir-fried chunjang into the pan with the cooked pork and vegetables, ensuring everything is well combined and coated. Now, it's time to develop the sauce's rich consistency and flavor. Pour in about 2 cups of water or a light broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. To achieve that signature thick texture, prepare a cornstarch slurry and slowly stir it into the simmering sauce until it reaches your desired consistency. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning. A touch of sugar or soy sauce can balance the deep savory notes perfectly. Your delicious homemade black bean sauce is now ready. Ladle a generous amount over a bowl of freshly cooked, chewy noodles. For an authentic touch, garnish your jajangmyeon with some crisp cucumber strips or a perfectly fried egg. This adds both visual appeal and a delightful textural contrast. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible, homemade jajangmyeon, a truly satisfying meal that's worth every bit of effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.